Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best halogen headlight bulbs that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Terminator H11 9005 LED bulbs combo. While technically an LED bulb and not a halogen, its advanced design and performance make it worthy of consideration. These bulbs boast an incredible 60,000 lumens per set, making them 800% brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. This level of brightness, combined with the 6500K white light output, ensures a crystal-clear driving experience at night. The bulbs are designed with a compact 1:1 halogen mini size for easy installation, and they feature advanced CAN bus compatibility to eliminate flickering and dashboard warnings. In terms of build quality, the Terminator bulbs are constructed using aviation-grade aluminum and feature a high-efficiency 22,000 RPM cooling fan. This ensures rapid heat dissipation and a lifespan of up to 60,000 hours. The beam pattern is well calibrated to mimic that of factory halogen bulbs, providing excellent visibility without dark spots or glare. However, it's worth noting that LED bulbs like these may not be street legal in all regions, so double-check your local regulations. While these bulbs deliver extraordinary brightness and long-lasting performance, they come at the expense of a premium price and are less traditional than standard halogen options. They're ideal for drivers who prioritize maximum visibility and cutting-edge technology. However, for those looking for a classic halogen bulb, you may want to look further down this list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Philips Automotive Lighting H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulbs. Philips is a trusted name in automotive lighting, and their H11 bulbs are designed to meet OEM quality standards while remaining DOT compliant. These bulbs offer a wider light output that enhances visibility and safety during nighttime driving, making them a solid choice for everyday use. The build quality of these bulbs is impressive, with Philips' high manufacturing standards ensuring durability and reliability. They're engineered to reduce the risk of early failure, which is a common issue with lower quality bulbs. The bulbs are easy to install, but Philips recommends replacing them in pairs to maintain a symmetric light beam on the road. However, while the light output is clean and safe, it doesn't match the brightness of premium or performance-oriented bulbs on this list. Overall, the Philips H11 standard halogen bulbs are an excellent value for those seeking reliable OEM quality replacements without breaking the bank. They're ideal for drivers looking for a straightforward, dependable option that prioritizes safety and ease of use over cutting-edge features. Taking the third spot is the Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra, a high-performance halogen bulb that pushes the boundaries of brightness and clarity. These bulbs utilize Sylvania's tri-band technology to deliver the brightest down-road visibility in their class while producing a whiter light. This makes them ideal for nighttime driving, as they improve clarity and help reduce eye strain, especially on long trips. The build quality of the Silver Star Ultra is premium, with a robust filament design that enhances durability. They're easy to install and provide excellent coverage on the road. However, the increased brightness comes with a trade-off, a slightly shorter lifespan compared to standard halogen bulbs. This makes them less ideal for drivers who want a long-term solution, but perfect for those prioritizing maximum performance. In summary, the Sylvania Silver Star Ultra is a standout option for drivers seeking the brightest and most advanced halogen lighting technology. They're perfect for those who frequently drive at night or in low visibility conditions, but they may not be the best choice for those looking for longevity. Our runner-up is the Sylvania 9005 Extra Vision Halogen Headlight Bulb. At $32.75, this is the premium option in our list, and for good reason. These bulbs are designed to provide superior down-road visibility without adding glare, making them a great choice for drivers who value both performance and safety. The proprietary filament design ensures increased performance, while the overall construction is built to last. In terms of user experience, the Extra Vision bulbs excel in delivering clear, consistent lighting that enhances nighttime driving. They're also road legal, which is an important consideration for those upgrading their headlights. However, the higher price point might be a drawback for budget-conscious consumers. If you're willing to invest in premium performance, the Sylvania 9005 ExtraVision is a reliable and high-performing choice. It's ideal for drivers who demand the best visibility and don't mind paying a bit extra for quality. And finally, taking the #1 spot on our list is the Sylvania H11 ExtraVision Halogen Headlight bulb. This budget-friendly option, priced at just $28.36, offers exceptional value for its price. The ExtraVision bulbs are designed for enhanced down-road visibility while minimizing glare, making them a fantastic option for safe nighttime driving. The build quality is robust, featuring a durable filament and proprietary gas mixture that ensures optimal performance. These bulbs are designed to last, and Sylvania recommends replacing them in pairs for the best results. While not the brightest or most advanced option, the balance between price, performance, and reliability makes them a top choice for most drivers. For those looking for a cost-effective yet high-quality halogen bulb, the Sylvania H11 ExtraVision is an unbeatable choice. It's perfect for regular commuters and anyone who wants a reliable, budget-friendly upgrade for their headlights. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.